Good afternoon. Welcome to the channel, Retired Don't Give Up. Today is Sunday. We had a beautiful ride yesterday, but today we are looking at wedding dresses. How exciting. But we do that in Canada and we do that in Thailand. Hey, fish. Lots of fish. Uh-huh. Oh, I feel cold air coming from the door. That means she's got the air conditioning on. Ah, and here we are. And here we are. And you know what's very important? There's a place for the husbands to be, to sit. Exciting for her. Oh, they're trying to find clothes for me that's quite big. All right. Actually, I don't mind that. I don't mind this at all. I like this.
Oh.
I like this.
Oh.
Yeah. We have something with blue in this. Got to put in my 2 cents worth. Okay. Their idea of large, my idea of large, just not the same. And there we are. We're ready to get married. We need a little better shirt, but yeah. Should have seen these pants. These aren't pants. This is a bed sheet. But this is Thailand. So we got our pants covered. We got our jacket covered. Still have to buy a shirt that will fit me. And I'll have to get a matching shirt that will fit Mead. That should be a little easier. Fitting me is going to be the hard part. So I think we've come to a conclusion. We're sitting around 7,000 baht for basically clothes for myself, for my best man Mead, and the wedding dress for Katai, and the dress for Mead's wife Tammy. And I think there'll be makeup is included in that for Tammy and Katai. I'm not really sure. Anyway, that sounds quite reasonable to me. Well, that was our trip to the bridal shop. Guys, I kept it as short as I could. All this effort in buying and ordering wedding clothes has made us hungry. So we're stopping at our local restaurant that we frequent quite often, where she makes exceptionally good pad thai. There we go, pad thai and pork and rice and soup. I've had that too, very good. Now there's a little unspoken truth of what happens when a man goes into a bridal shop. When he comes out, there's just a little bit less of him. Well, to counterbalance that, usually we make a beeline to a golf course. The nearest golf course is about 110 kilometers away, so that's just not going to do. So, Tim Allen would tell you, the next best answer is go to a hardware store. This is Mr. DIY. So we're going to take a little trip. I don't have anything really to buy. We're just going to take a little trip into the store and just reclaim our masculinity. Right at the front of the store we have tools. I've been here several times. I've bought quite a few tools here, and I'm sure I'm going to continue to buy more. Caulking guns, everything you can possibly think of. As we go down the aisles, we end up with snap ties, rope, and of course home accessories. Pretty much all here. Automotive, bus bars, kitchen, glassware. Great little store. Very good prices. Toys, shoes, household goods, toys. I'm feeling better already. A little bit of a maze back here. There are other hardware stores in town, bigger hardware stores for more commercial things. But if you need something small, or there's a light bulb, this is the place to go. Again, DIY, do it yourself, here, Thailand. Okay. So, that's it for today. We had our little trip to the bridal store. We had a nice meal, and we sort of, rejuvenated our masculinity. So, until next time, bye for now. And remember, don't give up.